You've bought AI tools after AI tool after tool, and you still don't have customers. And a quiet voice keeps whispering that maybe the next one will finally be the piece that works. Let me say the thing that gets people uncomfortable. The tool was never the business. And no new tool is going to fix a business that doesn't exist yet. So, before you spend money on another subscription, give me a few minutes. I'll show you why AI tools for business don't bring customers on their own, what a tool is actually for, and where it really fits. No hype, no shame, just the truth I wish someone had told me years ago. Maybe this is you. You watch a video. Someone charismatic says, "This tool changed my business." You sign up, you use it twice, and a few months later, another charge quietly leaves your account. If that's you, welcome to being human. I got here the same way. At one point, I was paying for more than 20 online tools every month. And when I finally added up what they had actually put in my account, the number was zero. Not a little. Zero. I told myself I was building a business. What I was really doing was collecting subscriptions. I was not buying tools. I was buying hope, one subscription at a time. So, let's get honest about what a tool actually is. A tool is something you use to build faster after you already have a plan. A hammer is wonderful, but a hammer does not build a house. You do, once you have a blueprint. An AI writer, an AI video maker, an AI anything, same thing. They can help you move faster, but they cannot decide who you help, what you offer, or how a stranger comes to trust you. And here's the part I'm giving you for free. You are not behind because you don't own the newest tool. And you were not foolish for buying the ones you did. You were just handed a toolbox and never handed a map. Now, here's the mistake almost everyone makes, and the reason this keeps costing people money. They buy the tool first, then they wait for the tool to make them money. But a tool with no business behind it just sits there, charging you every month. The truth is, tools come after the model, not before. First, you need the simple map. Who do you help? What you offer? A simple page, a way to follow up. Trust. Then, and only then, a tool earns its place by helping you do one of those steps faster. See the difference? The tool was never the missing piece. The map was. And the reason nothing worked before was not you. You were just skipping straight to the software. Simple works. Use it. Get the order right. First, the map. Then, the product and the path. Then, and only then, a tool to help speed up things. Most beginners do it backward. They buy the tool first and wait. That's not a personal failure. That's a math failure. A tool multiplied by no business is still nothing. If this helped you see that another tool isn't the answer, grab the free blueprint below. It shows you the 4-step business model, how it works, and what you need before spending another dollar. Take your time. The seat's still yours. So, here's what matters. AI tools can help, but they are not the business. A tool speeds up a plan. It does not replace one. And the right order is always map first, tool last. Now watch this. I want you to take a look at the quiet trap underneath all of this. The reason we keep clicking subscribe even when nothing's working. Because it's usually not the tools we're really buying. You were not the problem. You had a toolbox and no map. And late is not the same as impossible. See you in the next one.